how to delete all favorite videos at once on TikTok. So if you want to delete all of your favorite videos at once on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once done, you need to open up your TikTok application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. And here you need to go with saved or collections. Now, once you're on your collections, if you want to delete all of your favorite videos all at once, then let me tell you that it's not possible. You can just simply go and select the video that you would like to remove from your favorites and then tap on remove, which will be in the bottom right. Or if you want to remove each and every video all at once, then you need to go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of help center. Tap on help center and then tap on report a problem. Here you need to request TikTok that you need to delete all of your favorite videos at once, and TikTok feedback or TikTok help will support you or will guide you on how you can delete all of your favorite videos. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.